Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I welcome you all for the English grammar session of Standard 2nd. In our today's session, we will be learning a new topic in English grammar. And the name of the topic is alphabetical order. In our today's session, we will understand how to put the words into alphabetical orders. For this, first we should need to know the order of English alphabets very well. So, my dear children, let's have a look at the English alphabet once again. The English alphabet order starts with A followed by B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. My dear children, over here we observe that all the letters are in a particular order, that is known as the alphabetical order or ABC order. Now, my dear children, look at this list of words. In this list, you can see the words are egg, cup, ant, ran and dog. This list is not in alphabetical order. Now, to arrange this list in alphabetical order, we should look at the first letter of each word. The word that begins with the first letter A comes first, followed by the words that begins by the letter B, C, D and so on. Children, now let us arrange these words in alphabetical order. So, first we have to see the word which begins with the letter A. So, in this list, the word which begins with the letter A is ant. So, in the alphabetical order, our first word will be ant. Now, the second letter in the alphabetical order is B. Now, let us see if there is any word which starts with letter B. Now, in this letter, there is no such word, okay, which start with letter B. So, the next third letter is C. So, any word which start with C? Yes, cup. So, the second letter, okay, the second word in the alphabetical list will be cup. After C, the letter D comes. So, the word which starts with letter D is dog. So, the third word in our list will be dog. After D, the next letter is E. So, our next word will be egg. Followed by R, the last letter will be ran. Okay. Over here, you can see that we have arranged the words in the alphabetical order or the ABC order. Let us now look at another list of words. Over here, children, you can see the list of words, okay? That is milk, cookie, apple, rice. Now, we have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So what will be the alphabetical orders? So the words will be apple, cookies, milk and rice. Okay. Another example is there. You can see the list which is not in alphabetical order is to your left hand side. That is walk, jump, run, skip. So first what you have to see? You have to see the first alphabet. Okay. First letter of the word. Now here we will arrange the words into the alphabetical order. So the first word will be jump, then run, skip and last walk. Hope you have understood how to arrange, how to put the word into alphabetical order. Now let us look at another list of words, okay, that is around, after, able, assist. One more time I will read out the words, that is around, after, able, assist. Here all the words are starting with the letter A. Children, can you see all the words to the left hand side? Okay, they all are starting with the letter A. Okay, with the letter A. Now, how to arrange them in the alphabetical order or ABC order? Okay, if all the words, if it is starting with the same alphabet, so how to arrange these words into alphabetical order? Let us see. When two or more words begin with the same letter, we sort them by their second letter. Okay. One more time I will repeat this. When two or more words, okay, they begin with the same letter, we sort them by their second letter. Okay, when the alphabet, okay, when the word starts with the same letter, so in that case we will sort them by the second letter. We will see the second letter of that words. Okay. So my dear children, now to arrange this list of words, we will look at the second letter, okay, and arrange them in the alphabetical order or ABC order. Now the words, okay, to the left hand side are around, after, able, assist. Now look at the second letter of around, okay, it is R. Then after is having F. Then the other word able is having B. Last assist is having S. So now we will look at these letters, okay, R, F, B, S, and we will arrange them accordingly. Okay. Now when we will arrange these words in alphabetical order, okay, the second letter in the alphabetical order, what will be the sequence? Okay, the first letter, the first word will be able, then after, then around, and the last will be assist. So over here we have arranged these words into the alphabetical order with the help of the second letter. Okay. So my dear children, today we have learned how to put words into alphabetical order. I hope you all have understood it very well. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. I hope you all have enjoyed learning this with me. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care.